जो आप देखेंगे MS धोनी जिस ग्राउंड पे गए आपने ये सारों तरफ आपने ये फ़ैन आर्मी देखी है। ये देखिए जिस तरीके से वो एन्जॉयमेंट होता है, क्योंकि यही इमोशन है MS धोनी के अराउंड। और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि 10 फाइनल खेलना और उसके बाद जिस टीम को नॉन स्टॉप 9 या 10 मैच में सेम टीम खिला के बताते हैं कि सिंपल सिटी अराउंड क्रिकेट जो प्रोसेस है आप उसको फॉलो करो, ज़्यादा चीज़ आपको डिस्टर्ब करनी नहीं है। और जैसे आपने बोला ना स्पिनर से जो चेंज हुआ मैच, कि जडेजा इतने अच्छे गेंदबाज हैं इन विकेटों पे, वो नहीं मारने देंगे आपको। उसके बाद तीक्ष्णा का जो उन्होंने एक नया इन्वॉल्वमेंट रखा और पति राणा को एक ऐसी जगह से लेके आए जहाँ पे उनको एक्सपीरियंस दिया, बिलीव कराया कि आप बड़े बॉलर बन सकते हैं आने वाले अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मैचेस में। लेकिन जहाँ से मैच जीते, जो आप बोल रहे थे कि 175 193 लग रहा था, कि वही मैं और पीपी बात कर रहे थे कि जो नूर और राशिद ने गेंदबाजी करी, स्पेशली नूर अहमद ने, उस चेन्नई के जो स्पिनर थे ना उन्होंने स्टंप पे रखा, वो माही का वो फील्ड प्लेसमेंट आना, हार्दिक के लिए जडेजा को वहाँ रखना, उसके बाद जो उन्होंने डीप पॉइंट रखा हो
जी,
कि पॉइंट फिर अंदर गया, फिर जो यॉर्कर तुषार पांडे ने राशिद को डाला हो, अगर वो अंदर नहीं होता, बाहर होता, तो वो चौका या छक्का हो सकता था। तो यही जो मूवमेंट में पीपी बात करते, कप्तान जब विकेट के पीछे होता है ना उसको बड़ा पिक्चर दिखता है वो। और देखिए कम से कम 25 15 या 20 जिस तरह से भी जीते, वो MS धोनी ना अलग ही लीडर है।
और आपको ऐसा लगेगा, सॉरी पार्थिव, कि मैच अभी शुरू होने वाला है, इतने फैंस अभी भी मौजूद हैं स्टेडियम में?
एग्जैक्टली अभी ना वही बात करने वाला था कि हमने बहुत सारे ग्राउंड से अपने शोज़ किए, पोस्ट शो किए, लेकिन ये यहाँ पर इतनी सारी पब्लिक कभी हमने नहीं देखी पोस्ट शो पे, कि यहाँ एटलीस्ट ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरा का पूरा भरा हुआ है। जनरली मैच खत्म होता है, लोग चले जाते हैं, लेकिन वही तो चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स की टीम ने और इस कप्तान ने इनके लिए कमाया है, वो जो रिस्पेक्ट कमाया है, क्योंकि अक्रॉस जनरेशन लोग इनको एडमायर करते हैं और इसीलिए आपको देख सकते हैं कि इतना सारा प्यार मिलता है चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स की टीम को।
ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ की एक यादगार पारी, जडेजा के 2 विकेट, तीक्ष्णा के 2 विकेट, लेकिन कौन बनने वाला है प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच? चलिए हर्षा भोगले से पता कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि पोस्ट मैच प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार है।
And so CSK deliver the perfect result for their fans, a lot of whom are all still here. You can hear the cheers as they wait to see their captain and see their team once again. What a game we've had. The BCCI would like to thank all the sponsors of the Tata IPL. Tata, Dream 11, Cred, Upstocks, Rupee, Visit Saudi, Herbalife, Aramco, Paytm and Seat Tires. And to give away the awards, first of all, Mr. Ashish Shelar, who's the honorary treasurer of the BCCI, Dr. Ashok Sigamani, president of the Tamil Nadu Cricket Association, Mr. Vivek Srivats, head of marketing and sales at Tata Motors. The Dream 11 fan is Manoj Sisodia, senior engineering manager at Upstocks, Mr. Raghavendra Prasad Balapala, Mr. Gaurav Hazrati, the Rupee representative, representing the Saudi Tourism Authorities, Ms. Vartika Chaturvedi, and Ms. Panchali Upadhyay, VP Sales, Marketing and Associate Communications, Herbalife. Our first award is the Tiago EV Electric Striker of the match. It goes to Rashid Khan for scoring 30 from 16 balls at a strike rate of 187.5. And a Gujarat Titans player gets a warm applause here in Chepauk. Well done, Rashid Khan. Now the Dream 11 game changer of the match, Mr. Manoj Sisodia will present the award to Ravindra Jadeja. 102 fantasy points. It's time now for the Upstocks most valuable asset of the match. 26 MVA points. Mr. Raghavendra Prasad will present the award to Ravi Jadeja. May I now invite Mr. Gaurav Hazrati to present the Rupee On The Go Fours of the Match Award. It goes to Ruturaj Gaikwad. 7 fours to Ruturaj Gaikwad in that wonderful innings of 60 from 44 balls. It's time now for the Visit Saudi Beyond the Boundaries Longest Six Award. 87 meters long, Rashid Khan. Not just a magician with the ball, but increasingly doing his stuff with the bat. Rashid Khan is our Visit Saudi Beyond the Boundaries longest six. And that is where the six came from. It just seemed at that point that it was going further and further away from the Gujarat Titans. But Rashid Khan was still able to clear the boundary, and he cleared it more than once and cleared it with ease. So well played, Rashid Khan. for that Visit Saudi beyond the boundaries longest 6. Right, it's now time for the Herbalife Active Catch of the Match. It was a brilliant one. Miss Panchali Upadhyay will present the award to Ruturaj Gaikwad. The catch that dismissed Vijay Shankar. It wasn't easy. He was running in and then diving forward. Those are some of the most difficult catches to take. And Ruturaj Gaikwad did that after already having batted so well. So he rounded off a magnificent match for him. Okay, let's hear it. When do I start? I think we'll start. Can you hear me? 10th final. Does it ever feel like just another?
I think IPL is too big, to say that it's just another final. And not to forget, it used to be 8 top teams who used to compete, with the best players available in the world. Now it's 10 teams, so it's even more tougher. So I won't say it's just another final, but it's hard work of more than 2 months, because of which we are standing over here. A lot of character shown by the individuals, from where we started and to where we are. And I feel, everybody has contributed. Yes, middle order has not got ample opportunity, but, in between everybody has got a chance to chip in, and they have done that. So very happy with where we are.
You wanted to bowl first as well today.
Simple reason, GTR, as I said, it's a fantastic team, and more often than not, they are the ones, who have chased, and they have chased very well. So this game, said maybe let's try to get them in. But it's a good toss to lose. I would say there was a bit of dew last few overs. Ball started coming slightly better. But the way it turned in the middle for a bit of maybe half an hour or something like that, and Jaddu, if he gets condition, that helps him. It's very difficult to hit. So I feel his bowling at that point of time really changed the game. Not to forget that few runs, partnership between him and Moin. And on a slow wicket, every run is important.
We got those from Rahane, from Jadeja, from Moin towards the end, Raidu as well. You've got these players. You never ever drop a player. You just keep playing all of them. But I want to ask you about the young fast bowlers. We've seen, if you go back to 2008, from then onwards, every year almost an uncapped fast bowler comes to CSK and goes back a better bowler. Whether it was Goni or Tyagi or Mohit Sharma, or in recent times, Patirana, Deshpande. What is it about the environment? Mukesh Chaudhary last year, why do they go back better players? What do you do to them?
I think we try to create an environment. Other than that,